If you want to resize your video quality in CapCut, whether you're making a TikTok, a YouTube short, or a higher resolution export for a cleaner final edit, this video will walk you through it step by step. The good news is, it only takes a few minutes once you know where the right settings are. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and look at the right side of the screen where your video preview is displayed. Directly underneath that preview player, you'll see the ratio drop-down button. This is where you can change the canvas size of your project. By default, CapCut may have it set to original or 16 or 9, depending on the type of video you started with. Click on the ratio drop-down and you'll see different preset aspect ratios appear. If you're editing for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, select 9:16. This gives you the vertical format that fits mobile-first content perfectly. If you're working on a standard widescreen video, you can keep it at 16:9. If you need something more specific, choose Custom instead. When you select Custom, CapCut lets you manually enter your target resolution. This is where you can type in a size like 3840 by 2160 if you want a 4K canvas, or another resolution that matches your project needs. After entering the custom dimensions, click Save to apply the new project size. This step is important if you want your edit to match a specific output format instead of just using a preset. Now, after your canvas size is set, the next step is to export your video in the quality you want. Go to the top right corners of CapCut and click the blue export button. This opens your export settings, where you can control the final output quality before saving your file. Inside the export menu, make sure the box for video exporting is checked. Then look for the resolution drop-down menu. Click it and choose the quality level you want for your final export. If you want the sharpest result, select the highest resolution available that matches your project and your source footage. If you're uploading to social media and want to save file size, you can choose a lower resolution that still looks clean on mobile. Once you've selected the resolution, review any other export settings if needed, then click Export in the bottom right corner. CapCut will process the video and save it to your device. Depending on the length of your project and the resolution you picked, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. And that's it. You've now resized your CapCut project canvas and chosen the video quality for export. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where these settings are can save you a lot of time and help you get the right final result every time. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.